Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change notification sound on Oppo Reno8 Pro. To change notification sound you need to go to settings, then click on sounds and vibration, then find notification sound, and now you can either choose a dynamic sound from here or choose just an alert sound from here, and when you click on any of those you'll hear a preview and then you can decide whether you like it or not. And when you choose the right one, just click on it so it's checked, and now go back and now it's set as your notification sound. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.